Driving around and I see this Summit Weber S670. Looks like natural gas. You had to stop. Let's take a look. Welcome to my very first video. This is the first one I'm actually making on YouTube. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please let me know by liking and subscribing. It's in excellent shape. I think this is coming with me. So let's roll it home. It's close by and let's take a look what it looks like once I get home. Well, let's remove all the grates. They look like in good shape. Smoker box. As I'm cleaning this, I'm looking for rust. I'm looking for areas where damaged, where things I have to fix. It actually is in very good shape. It's starting to come to life as I continue to wash it. This one knob was very stubborn, but I had to come back to it, and there it goes. Almost done washing. Let's go to the oven and let's put some fire on. We can make some pizza. This is my first time making bread this size. I usually make pita bread, but this time I said let me try this larger size and let's see how this comes out. As soon as I put the bread in, I realized the temperature is way too high. It's about 700 degrees. And it should be somewhere around 500, 450. So I put this block just to reduce the heat coming from the fire, but I don't think it helped a lot. back to the grill, I need to remove all these burners, and they seem to be stuck. This is my first time taking them out, and I took out the front, I took out the back panels, but they still stuck. Looks like the burners need to come out from the front rather than the back. I was trying to pull back, but they have to come out from the front. This cover has to be removed. There are two screws on each side, one on each side, and then once I removed the cover, I was able to take out the burners from the front. Except the middle one, where I think that's the sear one, that has to come back out from the back. This was a surprise. The burner seemed to have some rust on the inside. And they look like in good shape. They're still solid and strong, but they are rusted from the inside. I think I'm going to clean them up and see if I will keep them or replace them. Maybe it's time to take a break. Let's go back and make some pizza right now. Just some regular dough, nothing fancy. And we didn't have sauce, so I used crushed tomato sauce. And then some olive oil, peppers, and right into the oven. At 700-800 degrees, it takes about 60 seconds, maybe less. And then we have pizza. So since the oven was still hot, I said let me use it for something else, and let's put some ground beef, some vegetables on it, and throw it right in, and it's just meat. We can eat that with the bread, hopefully. So let's let that cook for a while, and we'll go back to the grill. The grill, since it's natural gas, I don't have natural gas, I need it to be propane. So I ordered the kit from Amazon. The kit came, and these orifices, they call them orifices, they're just the hole The black one you see there on top, that is the natural gas, that's the original. The bottom one has a smaller hole for the propane. It's much stronger pressure, and that's the only difference, aside from changing the pipe to the propane tank later on. And here just taking out that regulator for the natural gas, and we'll put the one for the propane. That's all needs to be done to change it from natural gas to propane. The grates look in really good shape. All I need to do right now is just clean them with a metal brush and maybe soak them later on to clean all the small areas. And then the flavorizers also, I think they're really good shape. I was thinking about buying new ones, but I think I'm going to keep these. Same thing, I'm going to clean them up and see how they look once I'm done. The grill's still hot. Let me roast some eggplants and we can make them baba ganoush. Once they're all done, take out the inside, put some tahini, some salt, some lemon juice, and there you go. So back to the grill. I need now to do some deep cleaning of the cover of the firehouse, and I'm really impressed how clean and good shape this is. Let's take one more break and go back to the bread. See, now it's nice and cool, still warm, but let me see how it looks on the inside. I think it's a little thick for my taste, but the temperature was way high. I need to bring that down the next time. I'm happy with it, but I think we could do better. We'll try this again next time. Of course, we need more pizza, so we're making more pizza. The oven's still hot, and this is going to be the end of this video. I am going to do a second video showing you what the grill, the final look of it is. Once it's all done and ready, we'll turn it on and we'll cook on it, and hopefully it'll look good. So I will see you at the next video. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. I want to do more. This is my very first one. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully we'll see you the next time.